What's the word of the day?
What?
Cash! Bago kayo makapasok, diploma o diskarte. A man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. Yo, what's up guys? Good evening. Gusto niyo ng magandang balita? Ano yun? Gusto niyo ba ng magandang balita? Yes!
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror.
First vlog na may lisensya na ako at hindi ako titingin sa camera para wala silang masabi sa akin. At maghahawak ako sa manibela ko, mag-seatbelt ako, titingin ako kaliwat kanan at sa aking rear view mirror. At magdadrive ako ng mabagal at susunod ako sa batas dahil na-trauma na ako. Ginawa ko to sa Dubai, nag-stroll kami. Same guy na nasa passenger seat, kasama sa Dubai. Ngayon, nandito ulit kami. Pero nasa Pinas na. Same car, same body, same mindset, pero different country and different lifestyle. It's sa Pinas, we work. Then we spend it sa first world countries like Dubai.
Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. They ask me how you get.
Sarap ng buhay natin, pre. Congrats. From Barrio to Billions. Saan tayo nagdadrive dati? Sa Palukpok. Ngayon nandito tayo sa BGC. Living the life.
Sarap.
Ilang taon ka na? Kaka-birthday mo lang, di ba?
Oh, 24.
I'm 21. We're too young for this, pare.
Too young, bro. Marami pa pwede mangyari.
Yes. Hindi tayo mayaman sa pera, mayaman tayo sa oras. Time can't be bought. Madami mas mayaman sa akin. Pero lahat sila ipagpapalit. Lahat ng meron sila para sa edad ko. That's why, make your time worthwhile. Seize the moment. Seize it. Live life to the fullest. Every minute counts. And every minute you spend it on how you want it. Gusto mo ng ganitong buhay, focus. A lot can happen in 6 months. A lot can happen in 1 year. In 2 years, a lot. It can change your life. 6 months of consistency can change your life. What's the word of the day?
What?
What's the word of the day?
What?
Cash! Even it's Monday, cash. Tuesday, cash. Wednesday, cash. Thursday, cash. Friday, cash. Saturday to Sunday, cash. And who gives you the means to earn cash? Who?
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 God. So pray. We're here, guys. Park lang kami, then let's go to the gym.
Eu falei pra novinha que hoje tá no grau. Ficou viajando na pegada do marginal. Na pegada marginal.
Hello! Welcome to Josh Mojica Mansion. Tanya! Dito yung kwarto nyo. Come here. Look at your room. How big it is. Pasok po. Pasok po sa aking munting tahanan. Here's your room. You will sleep here. Okay?
All black motorcade, we touch down, we look like business. Showing out on road, got these women catching feelings. Young men moving codex with the broskies cause we winners. Got some clothes dealers.
Hello! Kumusta? Hey, interns. Yes po. Sige, tara, pirmahan tayo. Pumunta ako dito na naka-Porsche. Pumunta ako dito galing sa 3-bedroom penthouse ko dito sa BGC. Kaya kung nandito kayo para magloko, para hindi magseryoso, hindi ito yung lugar para sa inyo. Naka-Porsche ako at the age of 21. I earned my first million at 17. At hindi na bumaba sa milyon yung laman ng bank account ko mula nun. Taon-taon, we grow. We scale fast. What we do here at Socia is not some typical tech development.
Shit.
Taga saan po kayo, madam? Wow, lupit nyo naman. Anong year nyo na? Talaga? Galing. Nag-graduate kaya kayo? May tanong ako sa inyo, bago kayo makapasok. Diploma o diskarte?
Dalawa po. Discard
Bakit?
tsaka diploma.
Bakit?
So, para sa akin, yung diploma po is big asset for our generation. Also, yung discard rin, big asset din. No against naman po sa hindi nakapag-aral, pero may mga discard po. Hands down po sa kanila kasi sobrang successful po nila ngayon. And para po sa akin talaga, discard at tsaka diploma magkasama, sobrang lakas po. Kasi sa diskarte, meron ka na nun skills mo yun. Yung diploma po kasi, makukuha mo siya pag nag-aral ka po and marami ka pong matututunan. Kaya para po sa akin, dalawa po sila.
Palakpakan natin. Palakpakan natin yung sagot na yun. Woo!
Intern pa lang yan, boss.
Intern pa lang yan. You're hard! Starting tomorrow. Ano ka na? Ano ba sila? OJT. O yun lang, okay na to. Thank you guys. Picture tayo, gusto nyo? Saan niya ayaw nyo?
Pinamimigay mo.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Alright, thank you guys. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo, ingat. Mag-intern kayo talaga dito. Hindi nyo alam kung anong ginagawa namin dito. Mahirap. Madugo. Nakakatakot yan eh. Kailan kayo magsa-start?
Monday.
Papasok ba sila dito?
Sobrang puno natin dito na.
Kagulo na. Baboxing tayo, gano'n. Ganun lang ginagawa dito eh. Araw-araw, iba-ibang trip. Boxing. Tapos pa-party tayo. Boxing party. May club area dito. Masaya dito. Tutuwa kayo. Tapos,
Overtime, hanggang alas 5 na umaga.
tayo. Bawal umuwi. May mga ganun kami. Pag umuwi ka, abangon ka sa labas. Carl, ano ba ginagawa natin?
Kain.
Kain. Mabilis ang kumain ng kangkong chips. Tapos may 1K pag naubos mo within 30 seconds. Mga ganun. Madami tayong ano dito. So yung pinasukan nyo, hindi talaga to company.
Trip lang to.
Fraternity to. Mamaya apoyan kayo dito. Ito, joke lang. Sige lang guys. Thank you so much. See you on Monday. Bigyan nyo ka pa sa lubong. Si Carl, dala niyo pagkain lagi yan. Kay Carl kayo magpapalasok sa akin ha, kay Carl. Ano lang yan? Alam niyo yung ano, yung pulburon, yung blue. Papakita ni Carl. Ilang hours yung internship niyo? 486. Kada isang mikmik, 1 hour ng 1 hour yung bawas.
Oo, bilisin natin internship.
Tapos pag Jollibee, tapos na kayo agad. Jollibee lang yan. Hindi, what do you guys expect here?
Marami lang po matutunan. Especially po ako, front-end lang po. So, gusto ko po pagkatapos yung full stack na.
Okay. So, starting on Monday, you guys will learn kung ano yung pasok na skill set for you guys. So, developers, nagkakaroon ng sessions. So, weekly sessions yan. And yung sessions na yun is about educational and about the projects that we currently have. So, ang ginagawa dito sa Socia, custom software solutions, and we develop customized systems for businesses, for other entities. Matututunan nyo lahat. Lahat ng tatakil natin. And andito naman yung top developers natin, yung mga lead devs natin para magturo every week. Expect nyo na kapag nandito kayo, yung matutunan kayo. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
Look, how many times did I match this work? Feel like 10,000 days. Bros in court with the A-list model. Why's that? Cause she breached the NDA. Just had a call with Irish Jack. Man don't rap but he lets it spray. 2 lane ones came through, they're twinning. So I'm gloved up like Cray. Sweet one, just wanna waste my time, babes. What's the ETA? I like my girl on time, that's period. Nothing but stress when you say you're late. Girl, you can get new nails.
Napunta ako ng meeting ngayon and it's already 1 a.m. Tinapos ko muna yung family time. Then, tsaka ako tinuli yung meeting na private meeting. Sabi ni Don Vito Corleone, a man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. Which is true. Hindi ka magiging tunay na lalaki kung hindi mo binibigyan ng oras ang pamilya mo. Kahit gaano ka pa kalupit, kahit gaano ka pa ka-provider, ka mapagmahal, ka-billionaire, kung hindi mo kayang bigyan ng oras ang pamilya mo, if you can't spend time with them, you can never be a real man. Yun yung nangyari sa buong araw ko. Galing akong office, nag-gym ako, nakapag-drive pa ako ng kotse ko, nakapag-stroll pa, nakagawa pa ako ng pera. Pero, nabigyan ko din ng oras yung pamilya ko. Nakapag-dinner pa kami, nakapag-shopping pa kami, nakapag-inuman pa kami, nakapag-chill, wine night pa kami. At naasikaso ko pa sila hanggang matulog. Kahit gaano ka pa kagaling, kahit gaano ka pa kasipag, walang kwenta lahat yan kung hindi mo kayang bigyan ng oras yung pamilya mo. So, always spend time with them, with the people that you love. Because remember why you're doing this. Para sa kanila naman eh. So hanggat may oras pa, spend time with your family for you to become a real man. That's it guys, this is Josh. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.
See, this is all about money. Fuck the matrix and its glitches. Used to see a